is an urgent winter weather message. For the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Pike, Susquehanna, Wayne and Wyoming, in Sullivan, New York. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a snow squall warning for Sullivan County, southeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:49 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Grahamsville to Carbondale to near Ricketts Glen State Park, moving east at 85 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles per hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Falls, Muhlenberg, Dunmore, Kingston, Fallsburg, Nanticoke, Plains, and Carbondale. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 86/Route 17 between 94 and 113. Interstate 81 between 164 and 211. Interstate 84 between 1 and 46. Interstate 380 between 20 and 24. Interstate 476 between 105 and 131. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout condition. Is an urgent winter weather message. For the following county, Sullivan, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Cameron County, central Center County in central Pennsylvania, Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, Clinton County, southeastern Elk County, Lycoming County, Sullivan County, until 1:30 p.m. At 11:58 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Lincoln Falls